On the evening of March 12, 2024, a delivery worker entering a partially constructed factory building in Wu, China, stepped into an unguarded elevator shaft opening in a poorly lit corridor, falling from the third level to the second. Open floor penetrations in buildings under construction must be physically guarded and adequately lit at all times. This video highlights the absolute most important rule of runaway equipment. Never try to stop it yourself. When heavy machinery gets loose, the only safe option is to clear the area immediately. He thought the pit was solid ground, but it was not. Stepping off the concrete edge was a massive misjudgment. The forklift is driving on its assigned route when a worker abruptly cuts across the path and steps into the danger zone. Pedestrians must always stay alert and check for heavy machinery before crossing. This area was missing a panel and should have been barricaded using tape, cones, or physical barriers in order to avoid this accident. Always center your load before moving a cart. These panels are stacked too far to one edge. As soon as the worker gives it a push, the unbalanced weight causes the whole stack to collapse and the cart to roll back. This guy steps on a large metal cover plate to get a better angle. The unsecured plate shifts and collapses instantly under his weight. During a foundation concrete pouring operation, a truck-mounted concrete pump was operating, while its boom arm was fully extended over the trench. The boom system, consisting of long hydraulic steel sections, was positioned upward to transfer the concrete. However, while the pouring was ongoing, an unexpected malfunction occurred. The metal structure located in the middle section of the boom suddenly failed under stress and broke, losing its stability. The long arm folded inward under its own weight and collapsed. To prevent such incidents, the mechanical and hydraulic systems of concrete pumps must be inspected regularly. Especially the boom sections should be carefully checked for cracks, metal fatigue, oil leaks, or bent connections. The camera shows a narrow industrial workshop where heavy valve bodies are stacked all the way up to the walls, while workers continue their routine tasks among these parts. One worker at the front is trying to adjust a large valve connected to a test tank. As he turns the hand wheel, an unnoticed condition in the system becomes apparent. After the test process, the line had not been completely depressurized. When the hand wheel is turned, the seal suddenly opens and the compressed air and water accumulated inside burst out forcefully. Within seconds, the workshop fills with a dense cloud of steam and water. Visibility decreases and equipment begins to shift from its position. When working on pressurized systems, it is essential to ensure that the system is fully isolated and all internal pressure is completely released before making any adjustments or disassembly. A forklift was standing in the work area with a load raised. A worker positioned on top of the lifted material was unloading boxes by handing them over to a truck parked beside it. While the operation was continuing, another forklift attempted to pass through the work area. During the maneuver, the moving forklift made contact with the load on the forks of the stationary forklift. This impact caused the forklift to shake suddenly. Forklifts should never be used to lift workers or allow personnel to work on raised loads. During lifting operations, the work area must be properly organized and vehicle traffic should be controlled. Using safe work platforms and ensuring forklifts do not operate too close to each other are critical measures to prevent similar accidents. Inside a factory, a worker was using a remote control to operate an overhead crane to lift heavy steel rolls. The crane carefully lifted the large rolls and moved them across the work area, while the operator prepared to place them next to other rolls on the ground. At first, everything appeared controlled and the load moved in a balanced manner. However, just as the roll began to be lowered to the ground, the wire rope supporting the crane suddenly snapped. It is extremely important to regularly inspect equipment used for heavy lifting operations. Wire ropes, hooks, and lifting systems should be frequently checked for wear, deformation, or metal fatigue. The footage shows a truck driver raising the dump bed to prepare for unloading loose material. As the bed lifts upward, the load begins shifting toward the rear. However, after a short time, the vehicle suddenly loses balance as the raised bed changes the center of gravity. The truck abruptly tips over to the side. Before unloading loose materials, it is essential to ensure the ground is level and stable. Raising the dump bed on sloped or uneven surfaces can cause the vehicle to overturn. Additionally, the load inside the truck must be evenly distributed, and unloading should not begin if there are any signs of instability. At a store loading area in China, a truck pulls up to the ramp, and the driver opens the rear doors to prepare for unloading. While the truck's hydraulic lift platform is waiting at ground level, the system suddenly malfunctions. The heavy rear doors close rapidly, and the platform immediately begins to rise on its own. Realizing the situation, the driver tries to escape the narrowing space, but the mechanism presses toward the doors and becomes jammed. After a while, co-workers notice that the truck has stopped moving and realize that there is a problem with the hydraulic system. Hydraulic systems used during loading and unloading operations must be regularly inspected and maintained to reduce the risk of failure. Before operating platforms and door mechanisms, it is important to ensure that safety systems are functioning properly. On a crowded mill floor, heavy rollers rotate continuously as part of the machinery. While operators adjust settings near the machines, another worker passes through a narrow passage. A long shawl worn by the worker hangs loosely and moves dangerously close to the rotating rollers. Suddenly, the fabric catches in the spinning cylinder and begins to be pulled inward rapidly. As the mechanism grips the cloth, the pulling force increases. Workers shout and attempt to intervene as the situation quickly turns into panic. Loose or hanging clothing must never be worn around rotating machinery. Scarves, strings, ties, or loose fabric can easily get caught in moving mechanisms. Workers should wear proper work clothing and always maintain a safe distance from rotating equipment. While equipment and various materials were placed on the platform at the back of a truck, an unexpected situation occurred. As the platform began to slightly collapse, the load on it lost its balance. With the balance disrupted, the worker standing on the platform lost control and fell to the ground. At the same time, the load on the platform tipped to the side and spilled onto the ground, scattering the transported materials around the area. This incident clearly shows how serious the risks can be when the equipment used during loading and unloading is not properly supported and the carrying capacity is not correctly calculated.